So finally, this is from Tathata. Last 2 months ago, I ordered stone bracelet or jade. Arrived like, we wait 1 month and then arrived 2 weeks. So this time very quick because it's not in spring season festival, or they call it Chinese New Year. This time is quicker. Supposedly this is for a birthday or anniversary. Cheers to Tata and shout out to their Labans, their bosses. Jade Source or something, and then that's the name of the store. And I guess they have a, let's see, the certification right here. It's not sponsored by them. I just do that for the anniversary or birthday gift or something, gift to anyone. So they have this. I bought 2 bangles jade. They reckon this is pure jade. And one here. And Rocky Laban. They gave us pre-buys. Let's see this one first. This guys is the 2 bangle. One a big one and one is more on light white or light green. And this is from BB, their host. See what's inside. Cute one. Yeah, this is it from BB. It's a cute gift to her customer. Thank you, BB. And also she gave me this. I didn't expect that. This and the 3 buys. Thank you, baby, and Rocky Laban. Yeah. And in the plastic. And this one from Rocky to my birthday. Thank you, Rocky. Actually, this is $5 only when you buy this, but I'll see. He gave me this for in case I need to fix one day, like the needle and the thread. Amazing. Thank you, guys. Happy with your service. Hence, I bought this second time now. And this is adjustable, by the way. And I like the stars, see? Wow. Thank you, Rocky. I think it's a granite or something stone. Let's open the bangle. The one that's supposed to be, I'm going to change it due to the thickness one, I think. But I was late, they already sent it. So let's see if it still fit. That was quick and nice. I like this one like a swimming fish here, like a koi. And there's another one here. Let's see. It's another one. That's amazing.